Welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone navigating the world of self-employment or freelance. Work, IRS, Form 104 OEs. If you're self-employed, a business owner, a freelancer, or even a landlord or investor, understanding this form is crucial for managing your estimated taxes effectively. So, what exactly is Form 104 OES? This form is designed to help you calculate and pay your estimated taxes throughout the year. If your income isn't subject to regular withholding like a paycheck, you're expected to prepay your taxes quarterly using this form. It's a proactive step that can save you from surprises come tax season. Now, who needs to file it? You should consider filing Form 104 OES if you expect $201,000 or more in federal taxes for the upcoming year. Additionally, if your withholding and credits won't cover at least 90% of your current year's tax or 100% of your previous year's tax, this form is for you. It's also necessary if you earn income from self-employment, rental properties, dividends, interest, or retirement distributions without automatic tax withholding. Mark your calendars. Estimated tax payments are due 4 times a year: April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of the following year. Missing these deadlines can lead to penalties, so staying on schedule is key to avoiding unnecessary stress. Filling out Form 104 OES doesn't have to be daunting. Start by understanding the basics of estimated tax payments. There are plenty of resources available that explain who needs to file, when payments are due, and how to avoid common mistakes. Utilizing the IRS worksheet can also simplify the process, guiding you through the form line by line, including calculations for self-employment tax. Next, you'll want to calculate your payments accurately. There are excellent guides available that show you how to estimate your income, deductions, and credits to determine your quarterly payments. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, step-by-step guidance from a CPA can provide valuable insights on staying compliant and avoiding surprises at tax time. Once you're ready to fill out the form, there are user-friendly resources that can help simplify the process for beginners and seasoned business owners alike. And when it comes time to make your payments, you can do so securely online through the IRS website. Remember, if you're self-employed or earning income outside of a regular paycheck, don't wait until April to tackle your taxes. Use Form 1040Es to stay ahead of the game. For personalized assistance, feel free to reach out to Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more tax tips, financial empowerment, and community education. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you navigate your financial journey.